Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and today's video we are going to go ahead and redo one of our early on. So what in the world is a palindrome? What is a palindrome? So, alright, a palindrome is, and I just pulled it up to look at the spelling, and I did not know that cat taco is one of them. So, all right, it's the same thing forward and backward. So, mom, dad, the one that I didn't believe until I looked at it. Let's do this. Race car. I was like, what? But it is. See, E in the middle. So same forward and backwards. So now that we know what it is, how in the world would we test for this? So, all right, we need to think about our skills. And also, I kind of just want to show you what the first time I did this video and how I laid it out. So I kind of want to redo this. So let's leave this out of it for just purposes of, let's say it is case sensitive. So we do not want to augment this. So we're going to slice this and we're going to use our slicing backwards. And we're also going to clean this up a little bit. Def, pal, then we take in X, and do our test if string is a palindrome. All right, 1, 2, yep, there we go. All right, so how in the world do we do this? So I could put it into a list in reverse, or if you really looked really close. So we just go, we do our slicing, and then we do our step. And we're start to finish. So that's our first colon. Our start is our first colon. Our stop is our second colon. And our step is the third. So we leave the first two just blank, so it means all the way to the start, all the way to the end, and then we need our second colon to include our step, just like I said, and I'll show you this. So we'll do Y to prove that that I'm not making this up. So we go Sam, we'll keep it lowercase. So Y, boom, boom, -1, MAS. There we go. MAS. Oh, I said it right. Okay. So now we need to, we're just going to do this all on one line. Return test X equals -1. Close that out. Print pal if Sam. We'll copy this. Copy. Paste, we'll do 3. All right, so we'll do mom, John, and dad. All right. So we should return false, true, false, true. So there we go. This is our first redo. Got a couple of other ideas if you have any other suggestions of a video that you have run across. And also, I think tomorrow, I really looked at a comment and I was really embarrassed. I was kind of shocked. I thought the playlists were better laid out on the playlist page. So I actually logged in as a user. And yeah, I completely see what you guys are talking about. So I'm going to show you a couple things and I'm going to change some things tonight. So stay tuned for that. And as always, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions about this or anything, make sure you're jumping over to Discord, and please give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you're hitting that subscribe button. But as always, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.